Hi YouTube, it's me again, and I just got home and I'm very pleasantly surprised to see my nature box, which is made from recycled materials. Okay, it says discover, delight, nourish, enjoy, and it said estimated delivery Monday. Today is Saturday, and I'm really glad it came today because I'm going to need them. I'm going to need the snacks. Oh, I thought it was going to be open. Hold on here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Alright, so this says Summer Adventures. And it just talks about new eats, our promise, send free snacks, traveling. So there's that. This tells me everything that I ordered. Now, one thing I did order, I wanted the lemon tea biscuits, and they did not have those, so I had to choose something else. Alright, let's get started, and I will taste test everything. I did just eat lunch, so I'm not hungry at all, but I want to taste test everything for you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is sourdough cheddar pretzels, pretzel bites with cheddar cheese and a hint of beer. Okay. Alright, I love like their packaging, the way it feels, and I love these easy to open little bags. And okay, so it smells like cheesy pretzel beer. Okay, so here's what that looks like. It's cheesy and pretzely. I feel like taking deep breaths while I'm chewing really helps me taste the flavor. I don't taste the beer too much. I do taste some though. Those are pretty good. Everything is hot. It's been sitting out in the sun for I don't know how long. Okay, those are pretty good. Alright, the next thing is toasted cheddar sticks. Cheddar sesame sticks. Ooh, they smell very sesame. I didn't think when I ordered these, I don't know if I knew that they were sesame sticks. I don't think I knew that they were sesames. They're not bad. I don't really like the sesame though. I thought that they were just cheddar, but I mean, I definitely taste the cheddar, but no, those are bad. Okay. Next is Asiago and cheddar cheese crisp. You guys, I love my cheese, and when I see some cheesy snacks, I gotta get them. Okay. Very cheesy. Those are like a weird cheesy smell. Okay, here's what that looks like. I don't know. I'm sorry. I didn't pull this out and let you see, but I mean. That's pretty good. That tastes like something. The taste reminds me of something. And I don't know what. The cheese is kind of leaving like a, not a hot taste in my mouth, but like an oddly warm sensation, like the mildest spicy hotness that you can think of. Very, very mild. Just like a hint. I don't know, it's kind of, okay. I'm excited to try these because Big Island pineapple rings. Ingredients. Dried pineapple. Everybody loves these things. And usually they said that they can smell them when they open the box. I cannot. I can kind of smell them through the bag though. I'm nervous. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. Very, very pineapple-y. And I got cheese. They smell very pineapple-y. Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay. That's what that looks like. Tastes good. There's like a weirdness, like a weird taste that goes with it. I think it's just because it's dried. And also because I have lots of cheesy snacks left in my mouth. So it's like pineapple, cheesy pineapple. Alright, the last snack I got is Cherry Berry Bonanza. A medley of dried cranberries, cherries, and blueberries. Let's try this bad boy. Yes, it smells like dried fruit. Okay, here's a little blueberry. Little cranberry. I think that's a cranberry. Yeah. And this one's got like a... Okay, I just ate another cranberry. Here's a cherry. I like the dried cherry. Reminds me of eating cherry pie. It's exactly what it tastes like, the cherries and cherry pie. That's pretty good. I definitely like the cherries better than the blueberries and cranberries because I love cherries. I do really like blueberries too though. Okay, so that's everything in my nature box. I like everything. I think that over, I think if I had to pick a favorite right now, it might be the Asiago and cheddar cheese crisps. But, yeah, everything was good. I mean, if you guys have any questions, whatever, leave them in the comments. I can tell you. I don't know what else to say. Okay, well, that is my nature box, everybody. Summer adventures. So, I don't know. I mean, I might try nature box again, get another box and get all different snacks because I have like several lined up, and I really want to try those lemon biscuits. I know those are going to be good. So I might try them again. But, so all this for $20. And I mean, they're, you know, better snacks for you. Not super healthy. The pineapple's the healthiest, obviously, because it's just one ingredient, pineapple. But everything's better for you than, like, you know, other snacks, like potato chips. Okay? Well, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. It's Saturday. Have a great rest of the weekend. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!